Hey guys, so today we have the Bobbi Boss Baby Soft Crochet Hair. Yes, I had installed this hair about 3 weeks ago. I'm going to give you guys my thoughts about maintenance and just some ideas on like styles and things like that. And also I washed this hair, so this is a video of me washing this hair, and I'm inserted a clip of when I was installing this hair so guys can see how it looks before I washed it. So let's get into the video. I'm going to be washing my hair today. I just decided to see how it, make a review on how it turns out. This is the natural curl right here. And I'm just to 4 braids, 4 sections. This is the Bobbi Boss Baby Soft, I believe. And excuse me, I was just cleaning, so now I'm hopping in the shower. Okay guys, so it's the next day. I shampooed the braids, and I just focused on my scalp mostly when I was shampooing, and then I put conditioner like on the braids, try to get it in the hair even though it's synthetic. I don't know, I feel like maybe it'll help soften it up. It's 12 p.m. the next day. I didn't wrap it up when I slept. I just kept in these 4 thingamajiggies like this. And I went to sleep because I was up for a little bit, so it was mostly dry, but it was a little damp, so I just decided to keep my hair out, let it finish thoroughly drying. It's thoroughly dried now. It looked like it did okay. It wasn't too shabby. So I'm gonna just go in with my oil and oil my scalp. So needed. Yes, thank you. It was fairly easy to wash in these 4 sections. I was able to like get in there, keep the hair intact, and really clean my scalp. It feels so much better now. Hold on 1 second. Sorry guys, I did a quick doctor's appointment, but I'm on my scalp, as you can probably see, there's oil on my forehead. Now I washed my hair previously. I put on maybe a clean. My skin really likes that, and it's been going through some stuff. But yeah, as you can see, this is done. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut this. How much do I want to cut? Let's see. Yeah, I'm just gonna cut that in half. So I'm just gonna cut that off. Just because I don't know, I want to make it shorter. I think that's about the same. So basically, I'm just trimming the hair being OCD, but you may see me pulling the ponytails, and that is to just get it to be more even. If you do want it to be longer, do not pull the hair. The more you pull the hair, the shorter it's going to be. Yeah, so I'm just here cutting it, doing a little detail work, and nothing more. So basically, we're just gonna comb this out like this. Start with the back. I'm gonna put these front ones in the ponytail. Here I'm just sectioning the hair off, putting in a nice ponytail, and starting on one section. I'm just unraveling the braid, and I'm gonna start detangling it, and from there you guys will see. So I'm gonna let this play in normal speed so you guys can see me detangle the hair and pull the curls apart, so you guys can see how I did it, and yeah. I'm thinking maybe I'll do a half on. But look, I kept the curls pretty goddamn well. Except for this front one. This front one's a little tangled. But yeah, look at that. I might put a little bit on it, but I don't think it really need enough. Look at this. I got a little floppy. I mean a little extra hairs right here. I'm just going cut that like that. Period. Oh yeah, they did good. Hold on. I be right back. I gotta get some moves. So yeah, guys, I got the moves. I'm just using the Nairobi setting moves. So I'm just gonna run it through here. Separate them. Tangle them. Ooh. But I think it did pretty well, better than I expected. I thought it was gonna be a matte ball. But then I saw the braid look like, oh, they're looking cool in the braid still. Hold on. You feel me? I'm gonna use a little bit of this Matrix Total Results High Amplified Foam Volumizer. Just a little bit. I don't know if it's actually gonna need any volume. But I'm gonna use it to scrunch the ends of these. Then just bring it up. And I'm actually kind of able to run my fingers and I get a little caught, but for the most part, not that hard. And I did, like I said, these were completely dry. Took a shower last night, washed them last night in the shower. 12:14 when I started this video. And she's good. Yeah, that's beautiful. Just beautiful. So here I'm just taking down the next braid and repeating the process as I did on the other side. It's just a lot of stuff that's repetitive, so we're really doing the same thing, detangling it and then putting our mousse in, styling it, and cutting any extra hairs we don't need. There was some hairs that were straight and I did try to cut some of those, but yeah.